In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find this hidden Windows setting, which is eating your memory. A lot of people notice their computer slowing down, apps taking longer to open, or the fan spinning up for no obvious reason. Very often, this isn't just about how many programs you have open. There's a particular Windows feature quietly running in the background that can use more memory than you'd expect. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where that setting lives, what it actually does, and how to adjust it so your system feels smoother and more responsive. First, make sure you're on your Windows desktop. We're going to start from the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Start button, or simply tap the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search box that appears, type Settings, and then open the Settings app from the results. We'll be spending a moment here, so if you like, you can even pin it to your taskbar for easier access in the future. Inside the Settings window, look for the section related to System Configuration. It's usually called System, and it has options for display, notifications, and power. Go ahead and click on that. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories. Scroll through this list slowly so you don't miss anything. The option we want is easy to overlook. We're interested in the area that controls how Windows manages apps and background activity. When you find the setting that talks about performance, background apps, or memory-related behavior, select it. This is where Windows decides how aggressively it keeps apps ready in the background and how much memory it's allowed to reserve for that convenience. Once you're there, take a moment to read the short description under the toggle or drop-down. Windows usually explains what the feature is meant to do, but it doesn't clearly mention how much memory it can consume. If this feature is turned on and set to a more aggressive or recommended mode, it can keep a lot of apps preloaded in memory, which is handy on powerful machines, but painful on systems with limited RAM. To reduce memory usage, switch this setting to a less aggressive mode, or turn it off entirely if you don't rely on apps instantly resuming in the background. After you change it, give your computer a minute or two, and then try opening and closing a few programs. You should notice the system feeling lighter and more responsive, especially if you were close to running out of memory before. That's all there is to it. By finding and adjusting this hidden Windows setting, you can reclaim memory, reduce slowdowns, and keep your PC running closer to how it did when it was new.